on, you two, hurry up and get settled.
Yay, camping time!
Careful on the steps now.
Wow, look at the fields!
Whoa, rain!
It's raining so hard!
What sudden rain?
Look, I brought some chocolate for you.
Wow, thank you!
They knew they were safe and sound inside their little home, waiting for the sun to return the next morning.
It's almost ready, everyone!
The rain makes the food smell even better.
Can we eat it now?
Here you are, boys. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, thank you, Mommy. It looks delicious. This omelet is delicious, honey.
It really is. The rain makes it feel even cozier in here.
All right, everyone, careful now. It's still very hot.
Yay, hot cocoa! Smells delicious.
The rain sounds loud, but this spaghetti makes up for it.
It's the best camping food ever.
I agree.
The sound of the rain is so calming.
It is. They look so peaceful now. We should rest too.
Time to wake up, sleepyheads. I've made breakfast.
Morning! Look what I found for breakfast! Wow!
Hey, go on now. Ah, fine. Come on then.
Daddy, you're
Look, a bunny.
It's so cute. Wow, it's so soft.
I'm so happy right now. Me too.